What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to make your own sound on TikTok. The trick here is having a video with the sound you want to use on TikTok. Whether it's a screen recording with this sound playing in the background, or you downloaded a video with this song or sound that you want to use. So for this video, I set up like a small screen recording with a sentence that I want to use as a sound on TikTok. So let's open TikTok. Hit the plus icon here to make a new post here in the bottom tab in the middle. And I'll tap on upload. Here, this video that I set up and hit next. Hey, this is the way next again and hit post. Here, as you can see, the video is uploaded now and it's on my profile. If I tap on it, and let's mute it this is or pause it just so you can hear me. If I tap on the audio icon here that says M on the bottom right corner here, I can press on use this sound to use it in another post or add it to favorites so that when I make another post on TikTok, this audio is here so that I can use it. I can rename it to like test audio. Save. As you can see, it's renamed so that I can find it better when I make another post on TikTok.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.